Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm back with cooking verbs part 2. At the very beginning of this video, we are going to take a look at the answers to the questions in the previous video. Without further ado, let's get to work. Peel, peel. Taste, taste. And the last one was crack or break. Did you answer any of the questions correctly? New words: slice, slice, tear, tear. Okay, we have different kinds of cutting food. The first one is rough chop, which means to cut in not a very careful way. The second one is dice. It means to cut food in like a cube shape. The next one is fine dice, means to cut in smaller pieces, and even smaller is going to be mince. And the last one is julienne. Rough chop, julienne, dice, fine dice, mince. Layer, layer. Roll out, roll out. Okay, it's your turn. What is this called in English? How about the second one? Do you know the last one? Please write down in the comment section below and stay tuned. I'm going to come back here in next video, Cooking Tools Part 1. Please don't forget to like the post, follow us, leave a comment down below, share this post with your friends, and save it.